Hello, my name is Ryan. Today I'm going to talk about the lion and the mouse. The lion is sleeping. The mouse is running to the over the lion's nose. The mouse is saying, "I'm sorry." The lion roaring. The mouse is taking to the lion. The mouse is running away. 1 year later, the lion is wrapping in a young. Her nest is falling over the lion. The lion is roaring. The mouse is running to help. The mouse is chasing to the nest. The lion getting free. The lion is thanking to the mouse.